Hi, I'm Tavon Rivers from Fix the World Morocco. I have a special offer I'd like to make to you today for our Shungite, Orgonite, EMF Protection pyramids. So what is Orgonite and what do you use it for? Orgonite is a special composite of metal and crystal powders encased in an epoxy resin that is able to take the stray fields in the environment and turn it into healthy energy. You can use the pyramids to grid your property to protect you and your neighborhood from chemtrails. You can also put these pyramids inside your home for a healthy and stress-free, relaxing environment. When chemtrails are sprayed above your home, they settle down in the form of heavy metals and other toxic, harmful elements. Orgonite pyramids are able to break up the chemtrails above you and also provide a shield of protection around your home. The secret is in the orgone energy field that these create that can be scientifically measured. These pyramids normally sell for $99 each, but today you can get it for the special offer below. At Fix the World Morocco, we're celebrating 1 year of making Orgonite with over 1,000 happy customers. I make every pyramid by hand, and we personally package and ship to locations all over the world. If you have any questions about our products, you can email us at fixtheworldproject@gmail.com, and either myself or my wife Naima will promptly respond to you. These offers at these prices will only last for 24 hours once you click that button. So don't delay, order your pyramids today.